Hi, my name is Gianna Ungaro, and I am a research assistant with the Georgetown Early.Learning.Project. Today, I will be presenting on the development of the object sequencing imitation task to measure working memory in preschoolers by Rusnak et al., 2022. During their early childhood years, children's memory flexibility and working memory capabilities increase very quickly. Memory flexibility is one's ability to recall memories even if there are changes in perceptual cues. Working memory is one's short-term ability to maintain, manipulate, and update the information a person learns. Imitation tasks, in which the children would be asked to repeat what the experimenter showed them after a few seconds' delay, have been useful for measuring memory processing in infants and toddlers. There were 3 goals in mind for the development of this task: creating a test that could more reliably assess memory flexibility and working memory, be used in longitudinal studies to assess the same child's performance over a period of time, and be used in neuroimaging studies. The main research questions are: did the children in the experimental group perform better than those in the baseline control group? Did the children perform better on the low load or shorter sequence assessment than the high load or longer sequence assessment? And did the load differences vary with respect to age? As for the study's methods, 56 3 to 5-year-old children, 33 boys, 23 girls, were tested in a museum setting, and these children were assigned to the easy or difficult trials. A different group of 36 3 to 5-year-old children performed the task, and their data was used to establish a baseline. These children were not shown the demonstrations, but they were allowed to play with the robot for a minute. The children were shown and performed tasks on a small toy robot. The experimenter demonstrated the poses on a different robot from the one the child was given. They were asked to imitate the demonstration 3 times, and the experimenter would reset the robot behind their back. The study found that the children that were randomly assigned to the experimental group performed better than the children assigned to the baseline group. The children also did better with the low load condition rather than the high load condition. The study did not find a difference between high and low loads due to age, but it does show us that imitation tasks allow researchers to compare performance across different ages and therefore differences in memory at those ages. This task is useful for neuroimaging studies too. Now, I would like to discuss key takeaways for parents. Since this study shows that this imitation task is useful, it can help us learn about children's memory. It would be helpful to give children shorter lists or break things down into steps, which corresponds to the results of the children performing better with the lower load, the shorter sequence. You can also show children complicated things, and they can and will learn them. Children really have such an amazing capacity to learn. Working memory has been shown to be a better predictor of life outcomes, so having a better understanding of working memory can help us learn about and support overall child learning, as well as later academic, learning, and social success. Thank you for listening, and please be on the lookout for our future studies. For more information, please refer to our website for past studies, such as Media and the Mind.